Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video I'm going to be doing this beautiful elf's hat. So if you want to know how to do this, just keep on watching. The first thing that I'm going to do, I'm going to be taking this Eyelashes experimental palette, and I'm going to start with this light lime shade, and with a blending brush I'm going to blend this all over the crease. So I'm going to be taking this darker green shade and I'm going to apply it with a pencil brush. So right now I'm gonna focus on intensifying this green shade, and once I'm happy with that, I'm gonna go ahead and blend all of this so there's no hard edges. So now I'm gonna do my cut crease using the Lasting Perfection concealer. This is one of my favorite concealers ever, and the most easiest way to create a cut crease is to use a flat brush or an eyeliner brush. So once we're finished creating our cut crease, it's very important that we set it with a little bit of powder. Using a liquid lipstick, I'm gonna create a candy cane eyeliner. So I'm taking my Sigma E06 eyeliner brush to do this. It makes things so much easier, and my wing liner always looks on fleek. So to finish off the candy cane eyeliner, I'm gonna be taking this NYX white eyeliner to create little lines on top of it. Just make sure they're well separated so it looks like a candy cane. Taking a pencil brush and a little bit of that red liquid lipstick that we used for the eyeliner, I'm gonna smoke out the lower lash line. It is time for lashes, and I'm gonna be using the Flawless Lashes by Loretta, and these look really pretty. Now I'm gonna start drawing on the hat with a black eyeliner pencil. I think doing it this way, it makes things so much easier and more precise. You can definitely do your own sort of hat style. I went ahead and did it almost similar to my Santa's hat. And I'm gonna go ahead and link my Santa's hat Christmas makeup tutorial so you guys can go ahead and watch it. And if you guys do recreate any of these Christmas hats, don't forget to tag me on my Instagram page. I would love to repost your work. So here comes the fun part. I'm gonna be taking the red liquid lipstick that I use for the eyeliner to start coloring the hat. And then I was seeing that this wasn't intensified enough, so I went ahead and applied it straight from the lip one and then just blend out the edges with a lip brush. Next I'm taking a green shade and I'm just coloring the rest of the hat. You can definitely make your hat a different design, different colors, but this is just the way that I like doing my hat, so it's completely up to you guys. Now I'm just adding a little bit more of detail to the hat, so I just went ahead and applied a little bit of glitter. So I'm taking some gold and silver glitters to give it more character. So to finish off the hat, I'm taking a little bit of lash glue and I'm just gonna wait for it to get tacky. Once it's tacky, I'm gonna go ahead and apply this little circle thing that I got it from my fake nails, and I'm gonna use that as the elf's bell. So you can totally draw this on, or if you can get one of these things, it will be fantastic. And to complete the look, I'm gonna finish it off with the ears. So the ears are very easy to do. You can just take a little bit of black gel eyeliner and draw on 2 triangles, and to color it in, I'm using the lightest shade of foundation that I have. And once I'm finished with that, I'm taking a very thin eyeliner brush to draw a triangle inside the ear, and that's it. So that is the end of it. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave me a comment, let me know what you would like to see next. And if you do happen to recreate any of my makeup looks, don't forget to tag me on my Instagram page. I love you guys, and I'll see you next time.